Alright guys, in today's video, Mike is going to try Magic Spoon's cinnamon roll flavored cereal bar. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel, to get you on the grind and improve your mind. So in today's little taste testing video, Mike is, not me, but Mike has already tried it. Mike is going to taste test Magic Spoon cinnamon roll grain-free cereal bar. We'll put it on the screen like a bigger enlarged picture of it. It has 1 gram of total sugars per bar, 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of net carbs, which we'll do a video in the future about what net carbs are, but it's basically less carbs and like how regular carbs impact the blood sugar. So let's read off.
This is high protein, it's keto friendly, gluten free, grain free, soy free, wheat free, nothing artificial, childlike cereal bars for grown-ups. True. So you guys are gonna hear a lot of weird noises. That's because I have this right near the microphone. Sorry. All right, and so there's a wall of text, and so let's read what it says. So we got cinnamon roll flavored grain-free cereal, sweetener blend, which is a bunch of allulose, monk fruit extract, stevia. Then the oil blend is, let's see, high oleic sunflower oil, avocado oil. Then we got tapioca starch, natural flavor.
Be careful with natural flavors, by the way, because it could be a number of different chemicals and ingredients. So just for future warnings for you guys who see natural flavors as one of the ingredients in foods.
Yeah, exactly. Then you got inulin, tapioca fiber, white chocolate flavored chips, cocoa butter, tapioca fiber, whole milk. That's probably part of a whole thing. Allulose syrup, whey protein isolate, whey crisps, protein isolate, whey protein, tapioca starch, calcium carbonate, almond butter, cocoa butter, natural flavors again, almonds, tapioca starch, water. There's a lot of stuff in here. Salt, gum arabic, potassium sorbate. So that's pretty much all the ingredients that are within this one little thing.
I know it sounds a lot, and what we do preach on this video is that when you eat foods, you want to eat foods with 1 or 2 ingredients, you know, like broccoli, eggs, grass-fed beef, turkey, bacon, avocados, different oils, stuff like that, cheese even. Some cheese is very bad for you. So it may seem like a lot of ingredients, but it doesn't seem like there's too many red flags of ingredients. Maybe some starches that you should be wary of, but nothing too much to be concerned of. So it has 18 grams of carbs and 6 of them from fiber. So that's technically still like 12 grams of carbs, which is weird. Doesn't that say only 5 grams of net carbs? Did I miss something? Interesting.
And
So I guess it counts as the sugar, alcohol, and the fiber and the total sugar. So yeah, still 18 grams of carbs. So just be careful if you're on like keto or something. You can't have this when you're on carnivore. Definitely not. It's obviously not meat. So just be careful. But it's a better alternative than a lot of sugar bars and all these like Cliff bars, some Quest bars. So it is a better alternative, but it doesn't seem too reassuring. So Mike is going to give it a taste test, and he'll let you know whether it is all gains approved or not.
Yeah, so, little background. Like, I've heard of Magic Spoon before. Andrew kind of showed me them.
Yeah, we're going to do their cereal in a future video. In the future, we have a table in front of us.
Yeah, and so, I already knew that, like, these guys were probably going to be pretty good, because he showed me a lot of, like, the ingredients for the actual cereal. I don't really eat cereal. I've never really eaten cereal ever.
Oh, I can smell the cinnamon. Whoa.
I can smell that from now, too, yeah. I was never a big cereal fan, so like I was never really into that stuff. I know Andrew was, so I know Andrew. Of course, Andrew really liked Magic Spoon. I heard Magic Spoon is a really good alternative, and I recommend anyone who likes the Magic Spoon cereal.
If you like cereal and you don't want to be fat, extremely fat, and feel horrible after eating Cinnamon Toast Crunch, just eat Magic Spoon instead.
But let's actually taste this right now. So, cheers. I'm probably gonna hate myself for this, but whatever. Oh no, I got crumbs. You know what? If I actually liked a lot of the stuff that was in here, I'd probably say this is really good.
How's it taste? Tastes good? Bad? Medium? I think it's okay.
I don't know. I don't know how to feel. See, because I taste a little bit of chocolate in there, and I hate chocolate. Can you see why I'm doing keto? I hate chocolate. So the taste of it, I probably wouldn't eat this flavor specifically, but it felt pretty cool biting into it. It felt soft, like it feels hard on the top and then soft in the center. So it gives you that like what is that, like a cookie? Yeah. Cookies do that, and it gives you that cookie feeling.
Oatmeal cookie.
Yeah, it's kind of But the big red flag for me is the taste of chocolate. Absolutely hate it. Otherwise, ingredients, they seem fine. If we see anything that's a red flag after this video, editor me will put it up on the screen and tell you what's really good, what's really bad.
I will say, since it has 18 grams of carbs, and you just want to be careful anyway if you're doing a keto diet, or especially carnivore. Obviously, you can't have this if you're on carnivore. But if you're trying to be a little bit healthier and low on the carbs, you should only have one of these per day, because it says 18 grams of carbs. And just to be safe, you want to count all the carbs that are in there, and which we advocate less than 50 grams or something if you're doing low carb. So I would say only have one of these a day. Don't overdo it. Don't have a bunch of them. You might feel weird. Your digestive system might not like that, so just be careful.
Yeah, I have a good feeling that my body's not going to enjoy this. And that's mostly because I do carnivore, and I normally don't eat things like this. And so my body's going to be like, what are you doing, you crazy idiot? But otherwise, I mean, if it was a different flavor, I think I'd actually like this a lot. But because I don't like chocolate, I want to stab it. But otherwise, we give Magic Spoon seal of approval. When it comes to the ingredients and the way of eating as an alternative to stuff like cereal, other cereal bars, or even cereal, just normal cereal, I say probably be good to get Magic Spoon. I feel like Magic Spoon has the right idea and is going in the right direction on specific things.
Cliff bars. So.
Yeah, you see that video. You've seen that one. But yeah, so that was interesting.
Alright, so let us know if you want us to do more videos like this, taste testing different healthy products. Let us know in the comments below. Let us know your thoughts if you've tried this also in the comments. Help the channel out by subscribing to the channel, hit the like button on the video, and also donate to the Cash App, which is in the link to the description. It goes towards the funds and goes towards this channel to make us more better. With that said, we're going to see you guys in the next video.